The MLA of Nongpoh constituency, Mayralborn Syiem, met with village leaders from Maulong Nongtlu, Maulong Sepngi, Umterlen, and representatives from the Maulong Presbyterian Church and the officers from the PWD Road yesterday. The meeting focused on planning for the 25th anniversary celebration of the Nongtlu Mathan Presbytery, scheduled for June 2025. During this meeting, MLA Syiem emphasized his commitment to ensuring thorough preparations for the Jubilee celebration. He outlined the need for coordination among the various stakeholders to ensure a smooth and successful event.
Sound system but ki dan kadang-kadang wana kesengi lah yo alat ban pendep ya kan ke jingi kenduk lam so ban ai ko boleh kerpang na ko benta jong kabalang de nasional di paro bal ai ke jingi train lang bat haka ju opor na ko benta ban tempau ya ke jingi ko boleh ke kerpang halor ke jingi simkhia jong I sembut menteri orang ba jong ka jela ke jingi ba stun song I bal kloi ban yo sngo yang jing kerpan na ko benta begini yo ya ke internal road ka ba mai